In today's competitive business landscape, tracking sales trends and forecasting future performance are crucial for success. Businesses use advanced dashboards to stay prepared for market changes. For example, in the pharmaceutical industries, a sales forecasting dashboard can provide an in-depth comparison of sales value against yearly, quarterly, and monthly trends. This dynamic analysis allows businesses to identify growth patterns, seasonal fluctuations, and potential opportunities. The yearly view reveals the bigger picture, such as consistent growth from 2014 to 2016, followed by notable dips in 2018 and 2020. Meanwhile, the quarterly view offers a closer look, enabling businesses to pinpoint specific periods of growth or decline, helping them plan resources and strategies more effectively. For example, identifying sales spikes in Q4 of 2016 or drops in Q4 of 2019 could inform future budget allocations and marketing efforts. On the monthly view, granular insights emerge, uncovering seasonal trends and market demand variations. For instance, consistent peaks in specific months across multiple years, like 2016 and 2019, enable businesses to align inventory management and promotional campaigns with customer demand. What sets this dashboard apart is its interactive, real-time analysis of sales value. With filters for yearly, quarterly, and monthly views, users can explore tailored data. The shaded forecasting area highlights predicted trends, helping businesses adjust strategies proactively. Don't miss out on the opportunity to transform your data into actionable insights. Your learning journey doesn't have to end here. Subscribe now and explore more.